So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Accenture Off-Campus Drive 2023. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever we're uploading videos related to the some various technologies like SQL and data science and various off-campus and also like preparation videos, you'll be getting the notification. Right, and also you can schedule your mock interview for various companies or the mass hiring companies like TCS, Cognizant, Accenture, Deloitte and other Oracle, and also for various startup companies. Then you can drop an email to our email address to schedule your free mock interview. It's absolutely free of cost, but you should be giving us enough time so that we can schedule your mock interview based on our availability. We need to check if we don't have any pending mock interviews for the candidates, and also we cover the videos related to the various interview experience as well. So now let's discuss about the Accenture off campus. So they're hiring for the associate software engineer or ASE profile. So this is a entry level position, as you all know, and experience needed is 0 to 1 year. But that means it's a entry level position and you must be having below 12 months of experience. That means up to 11 months of experience candidate can apply. And salary, as you know, 4.5 LPA, and job location is the pan India. You can join any location based on your interest or like based on your preference. And now let's discuss about the eligibility and the process and all. So one by one we'll be discussing about. So as you know, it's like mainly they are looking for the candidates, those who are interested to build their career in ABAP development or HANA or CDS or Salesforce in the J2EE or the full stack development or .NET framework, ASP.NET, etc. or MVC. So these are the like various things they are looking for. So now let's discuss about the eligibility. So basically the candidates, those who belong to BTech or ME, MTech, MCA, MSc student. For MSc it is only CSE and IT. For BTech, ME, MTech, all branch candidates can apply, and it is only for 2022. So 2023 candidates cannot apply for this position, or 2024 batch candidates cannot apply. It is only for 2022. But don't worry, I have another position for you guys. Later we'll be discussing about another off campus or the opportunity. It is all about the HCL off campus drive 2023. But let me finish this process, or let me complete the steps. So as you know, they are looking for full-time candidate, those who have completed their BTech in 4 years and MTech 2 years. That means full-time education. And coming to the experience, as you know, and process. Yeah, so first of all, it will be a mock assessment. You will get 20 minutes to mock practice of the assessment. They will be giving enough time. Then the first one is the cognitive or the technical assessment, and then cognitive and technical assessment including 50 questions on English ability, critical thinking, problem solving, abstract reasoning and all. Then the technical assessment including common applications in the MS Office, pseudocode and functional networking, security, cloud and all. So we have already discussed about the like sample questions and all for Accenture. So the link you can get in the comment section below, or in the description of this video. You can go and you can check the recently asked Accenture off-campus questions. So now let's and assessment, coding assessment. These many languages you can use, to compile your codes and all. So now let me quickly discuss about the application process. So it's a simple registration process you need to follow for all the Accenture off-campus drive. So simply you need to go to the registration page and select the source details and the personal details, last name, email address, primary contact detail, WhatsApp consent and phone number, gender and residency and education qualification. All the details you need to provide, and then the preferred job location you need to put which location you are looking for, and about the preference 1 2 3. So I'd strongly suggest you to put all the location based on your interest. Like don't think that if Bangalore has multiple offices on in Whitefield and other Mysore Road, then at least you will get Bangalore location. But nothing like that. If the many people are applying for Bangalore, then it's obvious that you will not be getting that Bangalore location. So choose accordingly. Sometimes what happen, people those who have provided the preferred location, third preferred location also getting, because the first and second is like it's totally filled. So provide your location accordingly, or else like it will create a problem later, because they will not allow you to relocate suddenly or immediately. And examination details, so you can select, have you completed your final year final semester exam including project viva and all, you can select. Then government ID details you need to provide. Suppose I am selecting PAN card, then you can provide your PAN card number. So basically those who have already created their account, they will be able to like identify by the help of PAN card, because it's a unique number, so they will be able to filter it out. So that's why I'm saying, if you already applied, don't apply for this position again. Then you need to click on all the fields, then you can click on the submit. Once you have submitted, you will be receiving the consent. So now let's discuss about another position quickly. So this is all about the HCL off campus, and location is Chennai, and project role is senior analyst, and experience needed is 0 to 2.5 years, and qualification needed is BTech only, and skills is the service desk, but it's a IT profile, and total number of opening is 10. So basically you will be troubleshooting all the IT related kind of issues, like the internal IT team. Basically, like if you are facing any issue with your laptop, or some kind of Windows system is not working, or some technical issue we are facing with your laptop or the desktop you have, then you will be troubleshooting that issue with all the details, like what are the, you need to collect all the details, and you need to fix the issue whatever the user is facing right now, right? So this is a kind of like position it is, and you can go through all the stuffs later one by one, but this is all about the thing, like you need to understand what might be the root cause or something, like if some patching activity you need to do, and so basic all the IT operation thing you need to do in order to like do the so that laptop is working fine or the desktop is working fine if someone is facing some issue. And you need to click on apply if you are interested to apply for this position. So it will take you to the career page where you can apply. So basically if you have already created an account, you can apply, or else like you can log in, or else you can create your account or the new account. So you need to go through the declaration, you can create a account. Once you have created your account, you need to import your resume. Once you have imported your resume, you will be able to automatically, it will fetch all the details, and simply you can check the details or the cross verify the details, and you can submit the details. So this is all about the two positions. So about Accenture, I'll be discussing in the next video about some of the few patterns or the question patterns and all. But yes, this is all about the position. So I'm not able to like complete in single video. So yes, in the next video we'll be discussing about the Accenture recently asked questions and all, right? So guys, thank you for watching. I'll be posting all the links in the description of this video. You can apply by simply clicking on these links. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.